What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Homes We Love. I'm your host Annexe, and today we're back in Wimbledon on Drax Avenue, and we're about to tour a beautiful English country style family home with 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 8 reception rooms. It's on the market for £6 million with Robert Homes, and I'd love to thank them as well as the amazing owners for allowing us to tour this property today. Let's get started. The property has 2 points of access, one there and one just here, and you have beautiful vegetation in the middle greeting you as you come onto the property. Now, we've got a garage on this side, there's a car lift inside, beautiful architecture design on the outside, 4 bay windows, 2 on the ground floor, 2 on the basement level, letting loads of light flood into the basement. Plenty of space out here for parking. You can probably fit about 6 or 7 cars. They've got pebbles down here, which I really like because they're not, leaving the area to be shabby. Let's go inside. I like the lantern style lighting up here and this traditional door knocker. So as soon as you come into the property, you will notice how grand this entrance hall is. It's about 1.5 meters wide, 2.5 meters high. Check out this lantern light at the top. It's so beautiful and classic to go with the classic cornice design around the ceiling. We've got hardwood oak floors in a walnut color on the floor. So moving into this space is my favorite part of the house. This staircase is so grand. It's winged, so you've got left and right. Look how high up it goes with the skylight right at the top. This light fixture goes right from the ceiling and comes down here, and it just looks really, really stunning. I want to start in the main section. Let's go through here. It's so grand and stunning. You're coming through these beautiful glass doors. On this side we have a rose sconce for your artwork, and then built-in bookshelves with storage at the bottom. The cool thing about this is the TV is behind here. It just hides away just like that. We've got 2 Juliet balconies and a floor-to-ceiling window, bay maximizing on how much light can come in. And I think it's great because you can sit here and enjoy the garden, giving you that classic English country decor that everybody just loves. At the top, we have built-in speakers and recessed lighting, and we have underfloor heating as well. And look at these beautiful wall sconces just here as well. They've got one here and one there. Right in the middle, we have these beautiful pocket doors leading into the kitchen, and the kitchen actually leads onto the dining area. So the whole ground floor is kind of centered around that grand staircase that we saw, which is so incredible. Let's move into the kitchen. Beautiful skylight, recessed lights as well. I love that there's enough space here for a dining table. You've got doors to go out onto the garden, but we'll come back to that later. Breakfast bar that leads into the kitchen. Again, we've got that English country style decor as well. On the island, we have a sink and we have storage all around. But then we have another sink on here, which is great when you've got a lot of people in the kitchen. We've got 4 dishwasher drawers. They work independently, which is just great. More storage all around. Industrial style cooker / oven, which is so cool. Great house for entertaining. If you love to entertain, this is the perfect house for you. Look at the top again, another skylight, maximizing on light. You're never going to get a dark room, which is so great and fantastic. We actually don't even have the lights switched on in here, but look how bright it is. On this side, we have more storage, a fridge at the top and a freezer drawer at the bottom here. And there's a pantry in here as well. Dining room, so grand, so unique. Look at the wallpaper. It's so cool. I really love how unique it is. I love this light fixture at the top as well. It's so cool. We've got recessed lights at the top and built-in speakers as well. And have a look at this. It's clear. Isn't that cool? The switches. We've got that lovely bay window on this side, like we saw from the outside. It's just all in all really classic and so grand and really beautiful. One of 2 fireplaces that we have in this property, gas, marble as well. I want to move into the study, which is this way. We go back out into the hallway where we came from and straight into this room. So stunning, built-in shelves and desks And then we've got this fireplace again. Look at this light fixture, classic as well. Bay window, of course, bringing in plenty of natural light. But all in all, really nice room. And I want to carry on and show you what else we have here. On that side, like we said, we have the garage. I'll show you quickly. The car lift, which is great, maximizing on space. And this is the cloakroom in here. So I want to go downstairs to the basement and take a look at that. Here we have an entire apartment, a multiplex entertainment center in here, and a gym. I think we should start in here. Again, double doors coming in. Lovely space. The first thing you'll notice are these, again, this bay window / door area. 2 doors here to head outside. And you can access the garden. There's a staircase up there. I think that's a really great feature because I see this space as the kids' space, you know, like if the adults are upstairs, you want the kids to have their own space. They've got a table tennis table folded over there. There's a projector up here and a screen that comes down from there. Built-in speakers. All in all, it's a great space for kids and they can always go through here to go up to the garden. I want to head to the gym. Which is through here. It's a great sized gym, especially for a home gym. They've got plenty of machines in here, TV up there, and the door that goes out to the garden is just here. That's a good idea because it gets sweaty, and of course you want to make sure there's enough air coming in while people are working out. And I like that they've got a mirror here because some people really like to watch themselves work out, make sure you've got that posture right. Let's head out here. Through here we have an apartment, and notice that it's got a key that locks from outside, which is quite handy. When I spoke to the owner, she said that the idea was that if you have a nanny, they can actually stay on site and have their own space. Again, this is one of the bay windows we talked about. It's quite a bright space. On this side, we've got access to this apartment. It's really nice and beautifully paved. Goes up to the front of the property. I want to go back in now and then we'll have a look at the bedroom. In here, there's a bedroom, great size, another bay window, again bringing in loads of natural light, built-in cupboards on that side as well, and then there's an ensuite in here. This would be the bathroom for your guest or an on-site nanny, a living nanny, so it's called actually, and this would be their kitchen. Okay, let's head back. The final thing I want to show you is the laundry room in here. Nice size laundry room, and it's actually another cool thing. Behind here is a door. And another door into a wine cellar. I like that it's a door in a door in a door. And just here, there's a door that goes out. Another point of access. I want to go up 2 levels and see the master or principal bedroom. Take the grand staircase. Don't you feel like this is one of those staircases, like if you've got prom or your wedding day and you just got ready and everyone's waiting for you, you have to, hi guys. All right, let's keep going. Obviously we've got left and right, and the principal bedroom is this way. So let's start there. So beautiful and grand, massive. I mean, look how much space we have. I love the wallpaper they've selected in here, textured, and it's got that rich fuchsia and red and crimson, beautiful. Built-in speakers at the top with recessed lights. We've got 2 massive sash windows on that side, and they've actually got that cool shutter design that I love as well. Isn't that cool? I love that. And they've split it so that you can have top and bottom if you wish to close just the top or just the bottom. Through that way, we have a closet area with a skylight that leads onto the ensuite bathroom with a clawfoot freestanding tub and a shower, again skylight, and we have vaulted ceilings. Okay, let's head out. I want to go into bedroom number 2, which is this way. Really beautiful and just charming. We have built-in wardrobes on this side in that charming classic English country style again. And then we have an ensuite in here with a really wide bathtub and a separate shower as well, which is quite nice. I like how wide this bathtub is. It's giving me spa vibes, and I like that you can put loads of candles around here if you're having a bath, which is really nice. Okay, so I want to head out here. Again, notice how large that window is, and it's bringing in loads of natural light. We haven't even switched on the lights in here. It's just all the natural light that comes in, which is nice. Let's keep going. I just love this skylight up here. I mean, look how grand this is. When you look down, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna go into this room next. It's a young person's room, built-in bookshelves and storage. And I love that you have this seat here where you could just sit down and stare at the garden. Just keep going. In here we have a bathroom, great size for a family, with a clawfoot tub as well as a shower on that side. Let's keep going. We have another young person's girl's room. Again, lovely size. You can see they've done whatever they've wanted with it. Let's head out here. I want to go up one more level where you have the boys' bedrooms. Look how bright this area is. That skylight is doing a great job. In here you have one of the boys' bedrooms. It's not in use right now, so there's no need to show it. So let's go and show you the one that is in use. In here. Love it. Really nice. Built-in speakers at the top and spotlights. And then in here, we have an ensuite that is shared with the other room that we just saw, and it's got a shower and a skylight as well. On the floor, you can feel the shape of the pebbles, which is quite nice. It's got beach vibes. Okay, you have 2 massive windows on that side, which is nice, and storage, of course. But yeah, let's go downstairs. I want to show you one of the other reception rooms in here quickly. It's being used as another home office right now. Again, we have a massive skylight up here, built-in speakers, and there's a door to the garden just here. It's just so peaceful that you have all this greenery around you. You kind of feel like you're wrapped in nature. It's really beautiful. You don't hear any traffic. It's a very quiet neighborhood, very friendly as well. The other access is just there to the kitchen. It's just there, and then you have access coming from the basement that we saw with the Multiplex entertainment center. But that's it from us, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the tour, because we really have. I'd like to thank Robert Homes and the amazing owners of this property for allowing us to tour it today. Thanks again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.